Hi, I'm Nurse Ronnie and welcome to Senior Health Tips, IREX, your reliable partner in enhancing senior wellness and providing essential caregiver support with practical tips designed to empower you every step of the way. If you're over 60 and your balance just doesn't feel right anymore, maybe you feel wobbly, unsure when you walk, or even afraid of falling, you're not alone. Today, I'm going to explain the real reasons seniors lose balance and, more importantly, how to stop it. Let's start with the top 3 causes of poor balance in older adults. Number 1, muscle weakness, especially in the hips, legs, and ankles. As we age, we naturally lose muscle. This process is called sarcopenia, but the muscles that help us stay steady when we stand or walk, they weaken even faster when we stop using them. Number 2, loss of sensory feedback. Your body uses 3 systems to stay balanced: your vision, your inner ear, and the nerves in your feet. As these systems change with age, your brain gets slower or weaker balance signals. That means you're more likely to misstep or feel unsteady, even on flat ground. And number 3, fear of falling. This one is often overlooked. After a fall or even a near miss, many people become afraid of movement. They avoid walking, stop exercising, and try to stay safe by doing less. But doing less leads to more weakness, and that makes balance even worse. It's a vicious cycle. So how do we fix it? Here are 3 ways to improve your balance safely and naturally, starting today. First, strengthen your ankles and hips. These are your stabilizer muscles. Try standing behind a chair. Lift your heels slowly, then lower them. Do 10 to 15 reps. Then lift one leg out to the side, keeping your body tall. This helps strengthen your hips and legs. Second, challenge your balance with simple daily practice. Stand near a counter. Try lifting one foot and holding that position for a few seconds, or walk heel to toe in a straight line. These exercises train your body to react and adjust more quickly. And third, be consistent. Balance is a skill, just like brushing your teeth. You don't have to train for an hour. Just 10 minutes a day can make a real difference. The key is doing it regularly, not perfectly. You don't have to accept balance loss as a normal part of aging. You can rebuild strength, you can retrain your balance, and you can stay steady at home, outdoors, and everywhere in between. If this helped you, click the like button so more people can find it. And subscribe for more safe, simple health tips right here with me, Nurse Ronnie, at Senior Health Tips RX. Take care, and I'll see you in the next